I'm in a really happy mood because my computer has been working and I've been uploading new videos, hoping to get some more subscribers. This is the Hoover convertible. See, that says on the bag. It is a later model. It's one of the nicer ones, but it does not have the handle grip. It has a headlight, and the Hoover sign isn't scratched up. Has a bit of scuffs, normal wear and tear. The handle paint is a little bit worn. That is okay. It has the button bag, which I'm not in favor of. I like the zip bag because it's much quicker and easier. It has the height adjustments and the lowering handle. I have taken this apart before. On the inside it looked like it has been serviced. It's fairly clean. Here is the brush roll. It's pitch black. Can't even see it. I can't. It says right here, with a Hoover, your carpet lasts longer. It says, it beats as it sweeps as it cleans. I can't seem to find. It's the model 706. See that? I can't. Oh, sorry. Don't know if you can see that model 706. And this is where it's held. It is a really great vacuum. When you stand next to it, like you put your hand right here, you can feel it beating the carpet. This is very strong. It's very powerful. So I'm going to go plug it in. And I'll be back. Go. Okay, I'm back. Okay, just let me get the cord in grip. It's very hard to do with one hand. Let me push it down. It's at the right height adjustment. This thing glides easily. That is the Hoover convertible. Thank you for watching. And if you like this, hit the like button. Please add a comment. I love reading those. And subscribe.